How to translate on Instagram story. So if you want to translate on Instagram story, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need to simply open up your Instagram. After opening your Instagram, now here you can simply go with any story that you are comfortable with in which you would like to translate. So in my case, I don't have any story that needs to be translated. But if you have any text, then it will show you an option of C translation. You will find that C translation on the upper left of your story, right below the name of that person. So as you can see that here on the name of that ID, it says sponsored, right? Here it says sponsored. In the same case, if you have any story that needs to be translated, then you will have C translation option. You can tap on C translation just below that name of that ID, and you will be able to translate the whole text. So that's how you can translate on Instagram story. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.